So what's going on YouTube? This is your boy, the blessed man, the blessed with some power, the blessed with some sauce. So today we're going to give you the best. Of course, as a daughter, new one, man. You hear from me. There's no one gonna hear it from. So this is the song. It's in Nkosazana and the Daughter, and Kabza the Small, and Chronic Deep. That's it. The song called Ngisehlane. This is the song called Ha. This is too much. This is too much. This is too much. I like her voice. Her voice is the only thing that I like. This girl is too much. It's too much. The pro and the small. I got a picture. And look at the smaller guys approaches Tepe Dive. He's always doing the best, man. This guy needed flower. You think I'm Jim Balzac? It's up here. I need Jim Balzac. Just, just give the guy. Just give the guy his credit, man. He deserves it. Sorry about that. I'm a little bit nervous about this one. That's why because I got some kuruma. Hey, don't answer all that. Ay, some. I'm doing the video myself. That's showing me. I'm doing myself a part. That's showing me, man. Showing me, man, this is too much. Yeah, that's no pause. This is too much. I got it. When it comes to Nkosazana and Kabza the Small. Just feel the guitar. It's on this thing. Oh, right. like the video and comment down below if you want more, man. I'm gonna give you more if you want more. I'm gonna give you the exclusive one, the new at least, the good ones. Comment down below. Comment down below. And like the video and share. Share if you want. Like the video and share. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel, man. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to grow this channel, man. Bye.